Sales funnels are always effective in WooCommerce stores no matter what you sell or when you sell. And during Halloween, you can use these sales funnels to do some special promotion. Since more people will visit your site during the Halloween, this is your chance to make the most out of this and make each and every buyer purchase as many products as possible. So the best way to do that is to use active checkout sales funnels. So whenever a person purchases a product, he will get more offers later on so that he keeps on buying more products, and you reduce your acquisition costs and increase your revenue during the Halloween. Let me give you a few good ideas on how you can use checkout funnels properly. First, you can add an order bump to your checkout page. You see, when a person is on the checkout page, he's ready to purchase. At this point, you can offer him a related product at a minimum cost, which the buyer can add to the bill with just a single click. For example, let's say a buyer is on your page and he added a t-shirt to the cart and now he's about to purchase on the checkout page. Now you can add a small section on the checkout page where you can offer him a handband to go with the t-shirt at a discounted price. Now, if this handband cost is within the budget, then the buyer might consider adding it to the bill. Second, you can use smart checkout upsell offers with Halloween discounts. So when a product is paid for, now is your chance to sell more products to your customer because he has already made a payment and now he might be more comfortable in buying more if it's still within his budgets. And the key here is to use an offer in the upsell after the checkout that is related to the product he already bought. For example, let's say someone has bought decorative for Halloween, then after the purchase is over, you can then trigger an upsell offer for, let's say, printed cards for Halloween at a discounted price. Now, usually printed cards cost a lot, but maybe you can offer him a good discounted price, let's say 10 cards at only $40. Now, this will be a convenient offer and relative to the Halloween. And if the customer is thinking of buying the cards from somewhere else, then he would rather take it from you. And third, give a final attempt downsell offer. If you did use upsell offers, then you should be ready with an alternative offer in case someone denies your upsell offer. In this case, what the best practice to do is that whatever you offered in the upsell, you prepare a similar offer in the downsell but at a lower price and a lower quantity. Let's take a look at the example I used as the upsell. I said you could offer him 10 cards at only $40. Now, if he denies that upsell offer, then you can rather give him a second downsell offer saying that, hey, maybe you don't need 10 cards. How about you take 2 cards at only $10? Now, this sort of offers will make the customer think that maybe if I didn't take, okay. Now, here you can see there is a fall in the amount of cost required from $40 to $10. This is what's going to make the customer think that even if I cannot take the other offer, which is much costly, maybe I can try out the one that is of a lower cost. So this is one way to make sure that you're getting your customers to buy as many products as you can. So I suggest that you try using checkout funnels as much as you can, especially for the products that are more popular or that are more likely to sell during the Halloween. So that's it for this marketing technique. Let's look at the next video.